Welcome from AlphaCars in Boxbar, Massachusetts. Here we have a 1998 Chevy Corvette Convertible with some upgrades from a Z06. The wheels are off with Z06. It's got upgraded sway bar and end links, as well as some other parts. This is in great condition. This video is to show you the condition of the vehicle and overall what the car looks like. If you want to see in-depth options, be sure to check out our website, AlphaCars.com. So the paint on this car is very good condition. It is a very straight car as you walk down the side here. You can see now the paint is really clean. Chrome Z06 wheels. This does have the LS1 5.7 liter, around 345 horsepower I believe it is. This is a two-seater convertible. The interior is in great shape. See on the back here. Four exhaust pipes. See, the door panel is nice and clean, no marks on it. It does have the upgraded Bose stereo system. The seats are in great shape. These are the sports seats. There is a little bit of wear for its age, but that's to be expected. You can see the cover there. Paint is in really good shape. So let me see under the hood one more time. Nice and clean. Little chrome cover on the alternator there. Alright, now that the hood's closed, you can see how clean the front of the car is. Let's close this door quickly. You can see the side of the car is just as straight. Paint is in just as good a condition. Wheels in great shape. Alright, so let me start it up for you. This is a automatic car. It's got dual climate zone. Let's start it up. You can see there's no check engine lights on, just that the door's open and seatbelt's not on. Very smooth running car. The Z06 titanium exhaust. So that is the Chevy Corvette 1998 that is available for sale at AlphaCars.com. Feel free to check out our website or give us a call if you have any questions.